Hi! Guess where we go? At ayun na nga, nakalabas na naman ang auntie mo. So, hulaan mo kung saan tayo pupunta. As usual, sa Merial Park. Merial Park, ito daw ang pinakamalaking water pool dito. Daw, yeah, sabi nila, ito daw ang pinakamalaking pool dito sa Qatar. So, pangalawang punta ko na nga dito, B. Alam nyo, first, alam ko nag-upload ako, diba? At ayan nga, makikita nyo, napakaluwag talaga dito. Oh, ang auntie mo, palakad-lakad. Ay, ayan na naman ang auntie, parang tanga lang. Ayan, kung makikita nyo yan, mga rides dito, pupuntahan natin sila. Pero, hindi siya lahat, kasi nga, nagbabantay tayo, B. Alam mo na yan. So, ayan, kung makikita nyo dito, pak, di ba, ang ganda-ganda. At syempre, pupunta tayo sa rides na naman na yun, At syempre, konting pa-cute naman ang auntie mo. Kailangan natin may anting pa-cute si Shaina. So, ayan, ayan. Yung rides na yan, before, nagpunta tayo dyan, di ba, kung maaalala nyo. Alam ko nagpunta tayo dyan, wala nga lang masyadong video maganda. OMG, magla-rides kami sa roller coaster. Oh my God, kasama ko tug natulog. Gigil ako, oh my God. Oh my God, I want to experience all of the rides like you die like that. Tinutatuan. Gusto ko masubukan yung mga rides dito. Pangmatayan ba, B? Ha?
You can't bring your phone.
Why?
Look, this is the tunnel. It goes straight down. It's very deep. And it goes out, and it's gonna be like so fast.
But it is closed, right?
It's open.
This one?
This one?
Yeah.
It's closed. This one, it's like a water ride. It goes like this. Then it's
Oh my God, it's so long. It's roller coaster?
Yeah.
Oh my God, look, it's so long.
Look, yeah. No.
Isa? Oh my God. All the red?
Yeah, on.
Really? Oh my God, I'm excited, wala. Oh my God, piling ko mamamatay ako dito, be. Pero hindi pala pwede magkuha ng video, be. Cell phone is not allowed, yani.
Look at this. I went on it. 3, 2, 1, then boom, done.
This one, it's open?
Yeah, it's open.
You want to go there? You want to go there?
Only one.
No, yani later.
Let's finish this.
Yeah?
Then we're gonna go.
Okay.
But I thought it hurts my back.
Why?
Because that thing.
Isa? Oh my God, B, it's too long. Haba niya, B. All around the red, it's too much haba, B. Wala. Oh my God. This is it. Oh my God, feeling ko kaya ko to. Wala. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, you see that one? Oh, MG, I want like this. I want like this. Oh, MG, wala. Oh my God, B, look at the line. Ang haba ng pila, B. Ang haba ng pila. Ang ilang oras pa kami maghihintay nito. Oh, what the hell? Look. It's nice na. This is a water park, Merial. Like that. Oh my God, B. OMG, the experience ka na, B. Roller kasi napakahaba. Maybe 2 minutes like that or 1 minute. Then, super enjoy, B. Nakakatawa talaga. Mag-i-enjoy ka talaga dito, B. Oh my God. Gusto ko pang ulitin pero ang haba ng pila, B. Kailangan muna natin nalilipat. Try natin dito. Ahmad, we will try now? Yeah. Oh, MG! Look this line! Look at this line! Oh my God, cell phone is allowed, no? Yeah. Okay. Let's go. We will do. Really? Yeah. Oh my God, B, this is it na. We're here na, B. Andito na tayo, B. Oh my God, look. Look. B, alam mo pa kung gano'ng ganda dito. B, ang gaganda ng view dito. Kung wala na talaga kaming mga alaga. At, oh my God. Kung ako lang talaga dito. Talagang pupuntahan ko talaga ito lahat, B. Pero may alaga tayo, B. Priority natin ang alaga natin, B. Kailangan natin. Gusto kong bumalik dito. Gusto ko magtrabaho sa labas tapos pag day off ko, pupunta ako sa mga ganitong lugar. Oh my God, so nice. Wallah, so nice. Look, look, look. See? B, gusto ko ulit bumalik dito sa Qatar pagdas ng kontrata ko. Magtatrabaho ako sa labas, tapos may day off ako, tapos pupunta ako dito. Babalik talaga ako dito, B. Oh, ganda, B. Look. Look like a castle. See? 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 The slide is too much. I don't know. Wow. Sabi ni Ahmad, it's so much scary daw, B. But we'll try again. We'll try pangga. See? Oh my God. Look, too much nice. Voila. See, did you see all this one? OMG. Oh, nice. Voila. Yala kam. Naro yala. I want to come here. Yani, I want to come back here. But I need to try to another country. Aksan. So now I have experience here. So maybe we can go to another country. Alright. Alright, am I right? Am I wrong? Yeah, we need to go another country. Ah, it's blurred, yani. Look. This is Marial. Look at the Qatar, yani. It's nice. Wallah, nice.
Nandito na tayo sa rides na to. So, pasok tayo dyan sa loob. Tapos isasara na lang nila. Oh my God, ready na ba tayo?
Oh my God, Spanwar! And we will try this one. Sabi ni Ahmad B, maganda dito. Kasi this, I can?
Yeah, you can.
I can.
And here you pick what animation you want. Jungle or sunset or disco or danger or extreme. We're gonna pick jungle.
Okay.
Because it's gonna be so nice. The monkey's gonna come.
Really? Oh my God, I want that one.
Snake. I swear to God. Wallah.
Okay, we'll try here. You can pick me we go together or
Together.
okay, together. So look. So yan, B. Ito, binatry na natin to kanina. Hindi nga na pwede mag-video. B, dati nasubukan na natin to eh. Yeah, dati nasubukan natin. Ikot ko. Like that.
Sunset or extreme. We're
So,
gonna pick jungle.
pick the nice. Okay, pick the nice. Wow! Tapos tayo! Yeah. Ako is me! Oh my God! You ate me! You bite me! Oh! Oh Andito na naman tayo sa isang ride. Dito na tayo. Pupunta tayo dito. Oh. So, susubukan natin tong ride na to. Nung nakaraan.
Naro.
So, ito na nga, Bi. Ito yung nakikita natin doon, Bi. Ngayon, pupunta tayo dito at susubukan na naman natin siya, Bi. This is my second time to go here. Well, pangalawang beses na ako nakapunta dito. So nice. Big nice. Look. So, we need to check the if red light, if green light. Yay! We got green light. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, baby.
Oh, kita mo naman, Bi. Kitang-kita naman natin kung gaano kaganda ang Qatar, ang view and sight here. Lalo na paggabi. Oh, fuck. Nasa taas na tayo niyan, ha? Kung makikita niyo yan. I think that one is Lucille. I'm not sure, but ang ganda, Bi.
I want America.
It's a go. Touch me.
I want Negro. Just kidding.
You will go very up and I will just go down.
After this one, where we go now? Where do you want rides, Hamud? You want rides all Baaj?
بتروح الرولر كوستر وبعدين Yeah, he can. You with him and me. يلا. تبي تروح الرولر كوستر؟ لا ما يون الشاط والله اخاف يون والله اخاف بسم الله السيتي hold my I'm sick of it. Yo! See? We are good.
At natapos na nga tayo sa rides at hindi na natin na video ang roller coaster kasi nga bawal. At ayun na nga, actually tapos na rin ang oras kasi hanggang 8 PM lang to. So nagkulang kami sa oras, hindi naman natin napuntahan lahat. At least nung nakaraan nakapunta din naman tayo, 'di ba? So see you next year. I hope sana inshallah makabalik ulit ako dito. Tapos pupuntahan ko talaga to, promise. Gusto ko maligo mag-isa. So bye, see you next summer. Mwah.